You're looking at a jet engine exhaust test with subpar safety protocol. Someone asked how quickly and how well it would cook a steak. Let's break it down. How quickly in the blink of an eye. How well, much too well. In fact, the heat would atomize the steak, reducing it to its elemental parts nearly instantaneously. Very few people get to experience a jet engine from so close, and for good reason. That's an Inferno-esque 1700 degrees Celsius roaring through the exhaust. The urge to toast a marshmallow is quite irresistible.